I got X13 open in a layout. And to get this working properly, you go over to page one, or I'm sorry, page one. And let's see, where's that icon? No. No. Well, where's that stupid thing? Probably up here. Page table. I finally found it. Okay, there it is. And it says P1. You'll notice that page one is P1. Where did that come from? It comes from right here. Edit page information. See? Page number. You can make it A or whatever you wanted to. See? Now it says A1. And this automatically changed. And it says project overview. You go up here for page one and change this to whatever you want, like site plan. And then it updates. Now I'll go to page two. And again, back to this icon while you're on page two with a dash number. And there's nothing here, but you go back to the one where this is, and it didn't update. Uh-oh. Dadgummit. What'd I do wrong? No. Yeah, it says include in layout page table. Why isn't the stupid thing working? Uh-oh. I haven't used this in a while. Dadgummit. Let's see. Label, title. So this needs to be label, title. That is. Okay, I'm going to go to 3. Include in the table. This would be a dash page number. And I'm not quite sure why these are not adding up. Curses. I don't need descriptions and content. I'm going to remove those. Maybe I need to put something on those pages. Put a CAD thing. I'm just putting something on the page and see if that makes a difference. That made a difference. Okay. So you have to have something on the page for it to update. Get the idea? I was going insane there for a second, but I just had to have some content on it. See, I just opened the layout. There's nothing I didn't sent anything to the layout, but that's how that this Gidget Gadget works. Hope this helps you. Thank you. I'm out of here.